Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get coconut in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. Coconut seeds were recently removed from the shop, but there are still a few ways to get them. If you already have coconut seeds, you might see them in your inventory. Originally, these were available as mythical seeds in the seed shop for 50,000 coins. Now, one way to potentially get them is through a public server. If another player has a coconut tree planted and you own a red fox, your pet may steal a seed from their garden. This requires the other player to have a tree with ripe coconuts, and it doesn't always work. Another option is through pets like a dog or golden lab. These pets can sometimes dig up coconut seeds randomly. Some players have reported multiple successful digs this way. There's also a method through Lucky Harvest. If you already have coconuts growing in your garden, harvesting them might randomly drop a coconut seed. This only works if you already have the plant growing. Lastly, players who already own coconut seeds may use duping methods, though these are only useful if you already have the item. So that's basically how you can get coconut in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.